When the stars come out this Saturday, so do the savings at Mazda of Poughkeepsie's Midnight Madness sales event. This Saturday, August 25th, Mazda of Poughkeepsie will be open till midnight and delivering the lowest possible price on every Mazda in stock. Like the new Mazda 3 with no money down and lease payments as low as $169 per month and savings up to $5,500 off a new Mazda Grand Touring CX-9. Stop by for a chance to win a free iPad with 3 separate drawings till midnight. No purchase necessary. This Saturday, only at Mazda of Poughkeepsie. So don't sleep on the best deals of the year. Enjoy the evening with free refreshments and giveaways, but most of all, the absolute lowest prices as you browse the lot till midnight. It's the Mazda of Poughkeepsie's Midnight Madness sales event on Route 9 in Poughkeepsie or online at Mazda9.com. Mazda 3 stock number 2056, 36-month lease with $169 due at signing. Mazda CX-9 stock number 1965, MSRP $40,240, 0% based on credit approval in lieu of rebates. See dealer for details. Test drive a Mazda today.